Hi, I'm Anna Lewis. I'm a digital marketing executive at Koozai, and this video is about Google's SSL update. We're going to look at the changes, what's affected, and what you can do about this. So what's happening now is that if you're logged into a Google property, so it might be Google Mail or Google+, anything like that, and you make a search, the search query you type in is going to be recorded over a secure connection. So this means that if you click on an organic result, the query is protected for your own privacy and won't be passed on to any tracking software. Now, if you're clicking on a paid ad, any of the AdWords ads at the top or side, because Google thinks that the advertisers need this kind of data a lot more and they're paying for the data, your search query will still be passed on. So it's only protecting your privacy if you click on an organic ad. Now what this means is that anybody trying to analyse their organic keywords is going to start seeing the keyword not provided. This means that somebody was logged in and Google is now holding on to that information without passing it on to the tracking software. You will still be able to see that your user has come in organically, and from Google, you'll know that it's from Google because it says that. Bing and Yahoo obviously will still keep reporting data as normal because they've not updated to be a secure connection. So what this really affects is your keyword analysis for organic keywords, but you don't need to panic too much at this stage. It's being rolled out over the next few weeks, and at the moment it's only on google.com, and also it's only logged in users, which actually accounts for a single digit of % of all users of Google. So at the moment, we're starting to see 1 or 2% of our organic keywords reported as not provided. In the long term, chances are we'll start to see this increase as it's rolled out across the search engines and as more people sign up to places like Google+. Obviously, Google is still going to be pushing their social network, and at the moment it has only been used mainly by people in the internet industry. So by increasing the amount of people who are going to be logged in when using a Google search and by increasing the search engines, you will start to lose more organic data. However, don't panic too much. You should still be able to access a lot of it. You've also got your data via AdWords. Obviously that's controversial. You don't want to have to be paying for this. It's organic and it shouldn't interact with paid in any way. But using your AdWords data can be a way to help your SEO project. So what else is affected? Well, not too much at this stage. It's going to be a small %. You're going to be fine. But if you're worried, and if you do start to see a high level of people coming into your site via not provided, what you might want to do is not rely on that traffic alone. Think about what other reports you can be looking at. If you're looking at that alone, you need to widen your horizons. So what I'm going to just suggest is that you would use things like, obviously your rankings report is going to be very important, seeing what's actually ranking in the search engines at the moment. Also looking at the landing pages, and if you can track which landing pages are ranking and which ones are getting traffic, you know what you're targeting for each landing page. So if you can correlate that, then that's going to help fill in the gaps. There's also things like on-site search. Are you tracking what people type in the search box on your website? That can actually give you even more data than the organic search queries, because you can see what people can't find when they get to your site and what they actually found your site for. So there's quite a few areas you can look into, and also there's not too much data that's going to be lost. The main thing to worry about is if Google Plus really catches on and we start to see the amount of people using it as use Facebook, then you're going to lose more and more data. But hopefully over time you'll be able to work out other ways. It doesn't mean SEO is dead. It just means we have to realign what we're reporting on and just check that we're still working to the right KPIs to get the best ROI out of our SEO. That's all for now. If you've got any questions, do let us know. And if you have a look at the Koozai blog for more information, or follow us on Twitter to keep up to date. Thanks for watching.